they're saying Bitcoin is going to go to 300K next week. Just kidding. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching this video. My name is DAVITAR Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5, staying alive here in Dubai. Yes, you know what? Bitcoin is going to go to 300K probably at the end of this year, but not by next week. We're going to talk about that in the news today and more. Boy, oh boy. Bitcoin, it's an exciting day. We are back at 100K. Another day, another 100K. It's come back a little bit, but we'll talk about that in the trading section of today's video. So make sure if you want to trade this that you also get a hold of an exchange called levex.davincij15.com or bybit.davincij15.com. Links are in the description below. Sign up. Also, go get yourself some ID, because if you live in the land of the free, or not so free, and the home of the woke, you might need to get some ID so that you can, allow yourself to use exchanges and trade crypto and buy crypto freely without the government pressing down on you. I don't know where that country is, but I'm sure some people might. If you know what country I'm talking about, put it in the comment section below. All right. I'm going to be heading over to the financial summit. Man, the tickets are going fast. Make sure you sign up to the financial summit and join us, because, man, Carl, Chris, myself, Eunice, so many of my crypto friends are joining us down there, and so much more. Oh my God! Wait until you see. It's going to be off the chain, off the blockchain. Okay, this is the news that we're going to be going over today. You know what? Before we get into the news, I'm going to go into the next gen corner here and show you about work. Right? Just getting ready. Just settling down. Don't worry. Just cryptos, right? Once you have a good crypto, right, it has to get a little bit ready, and then boom, right? That's what's happening here with Waffles, right, as well. That's what happened with WowMow and PayPay. And boom, off we go. All right. Stablecoin supply USD has gotten to $6 billion on Solana. So, just so you know, that Solana will do well, because this is where the meme coins are. This is where people are coming to, because it's cheap transactions, and they work. And the software, there's lots of different types of software. Like right here, you see we have Phantom, right? You have Soulflare as well, right? That all work very well. Let's see here. Do I have my Soulflare on here? There it is, Soulflare, right? All these wallets work very well. And they have lots of smart contracts on Solana. So be ready for a big, explosive move in Solana. Easily, we're going to be over $300 by the end of March. So make sure you are ready for that, or else, well, you're going to miss out. Okay. XRP price crosses $3 for the first time since 2018. Yes. If you've bought XRP in 2018, whether it was at $3 or lower than that, congratulations. You didn't outperform Bitcoin. You would have to bought XRP within a 90-day window in order to perform better than Bitcoin. Right? So congratulations. They suckered you in. They sold you a dream and you bought into it. Oh, well, I hope you learned your lesson, right? Because they're going to continue to suck y'all in, because they need your liquidity in order to, they're not even holding, banks don't hold XRP. They're just transferring between the two for their assets that they want, and leave you to speculate on it like an idiot. Anyways, Bitcoin and altcoins rose after the US CPI data. What is next? Okay. Bitcoin and most altcoins continued their recent recovery after the U.S. published mixed consumer inflation data. The CP lie. Okay. Bitcoin rose to 100K for the first time since January 7th, gaining 10% from its monthly low. Okay, maybe 11% now. This rebound triggered more gains across altcoins and virtual protocols. AI67Z, 14%. Damn. Algorand, 13%. Yeah, damn. The rally extended beyond the cryptocurrencies to other assets classes. Futures tied to Dow Jones Industrial Average rose by 700 points, while those linked to the S&P 500 gained 100 points. At the same time, the bond yields with the 10-year, 30-year, and 5-year yield dropped significantly, respectively, actually. A report from the U.S. Bureau of Statistics of Labor showed that the core consumer price index dropped 0.3% in November to 0.2% in December. On an annual basis, the core inflation has decreased from 3.3% to 3.2%. Ooh, gotta love it. The CP lie is saying things are coming down, so they don't have to print anymore. Right. Or they get to print because there's no more inflation. Okay. Rich dad, poor dad says stupid people cannot get rich with Bitcoin. Yes, you have to be actually completely dumb, right? Completely dumb, because it's the easiest thing to do, right? It's like, for example, right? It's the easiest thing to do to get rich, right? Robert Kiyosaki, an American businessman and author of the well-known book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, a personal finance book, has stated that stupid people can't get rich with Bitcoin. Okay. Yeah, that's true. He claimed that the largest cryptocurrency makes it easy to become wealthy since one simply has to buy and hold it. Yes, the easiest thing to do and the hardest thing to do at the same time. As an old guy, you had to be very smart to get rich. Bitcoin makes it getting rich easy. Yes, people, it is that simple. It is that simple, right? All you have to do, right? Go to work, right? Buy Bitcoin with your savings and wait. Keep buying and waiting. Keep buying and waiting. Keep buying and waiting. And within a very relatively short amount of time, right? Within 8 years, you will be wealthy. You will be very, very happy with yourself. Period. Okay. HASHKEY predicts Bitcoin to break through 300K in 2025. Yes. Well, whether it happens in 2025 or later on, it doesn't really matter. Bitcoin will see prices well above 300K into the multi-millions, and you just have to wait. Now, it is exciting to see that someone has said, hey, you know what, 300K very shortly. That is the news for today. I'm going to go on to trading. And before we do so, head over to levex.davincij15.com, follow me here, and then you could get access to this live stream where, you can see all my mess ups. Also, sign up at bybit.davincij15.com. Links in the description below. As I said, I told you, like I said yesterday, I said that Bitcoin is targeting 78.6, and boom, there it is, the 99K, and we went a little bit higher than that to 100K. And what is next, right? So that's the question for today. What is next? Well, you can see liquidity, all kinds of liquidity up here. So you can see that we could probably take out the 103, 104-ish area quite easily in the next little while. So look out for that. Looking for Ethereum, you have, I said the 78.6. We came up to 61.8, rolled back, but that is not the end of the story. It's got more juice to go. It's going to push all the way up to at least to the $3,600 level. Looking at Solana again, beautiful call here. I told you 78.6 as well was likely, and that was a 211. And yes, we just need some rest time, and then there's going to be another push all the way up here. So look out for that. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.